everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi. Today and in this video we will learn a very easy and fast method for growing avocado from seed at home. At the end of this video, if you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. First I would like to take the seeds out. There is a big seed in the middle of every avocado. Now in next step I would like to wash the seeds. And now after washing, I would like to peel the seeds, and for peeling you can use knife or you can also use your nail. It's very easy. We need to peel the seeds and remove the peel. In this case, germination will be faster. I'll do the same for rest of the seeds. In next step, I use a wet tissue to wrap the seeds in it. And I close it and I leave it in, and then I leave it inside of my room. I mean, it should be in room temperature, and after between 1.5 months to 2 months, you can see the rooting for every seed, and after rooting, you can transplant them in soil. 1.5 months passed, and now let's have a look at the seeds. Oh, awesome. Cool. You can see germination and also rooting. I mean a long root. And it means it's time to transplant it in soil. Oh. So I try to plant 2 seeds in every pot. First, let's start with this pot. It has a long root and it's difficult, a little bit difficult to plant it. You need to go down a lot. One in here. Another one here. Now I try to water them. And also I try to plant 2 seeds in this pot. So, and after watering, I put them behind the window in a sunny area. Now 2 months passed and I have 4 avocado plants. After a few months, if you feel this pot should be small for 2 plants, you can take one of them out. I mean, you can transplant one of them in another pot, but it's still early. At the moment, this pot for 2 plants should be okay. Hope you found this video useful. At the end, if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. If you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.